Hi everyone, my name's Nicole from Seriously Creative, and on this channel I share my resin tips, tutorials and time lapses. In today's video I'll be showing you how I use my Cricut to make stickers. I use the Cricut Explore Air 2 and the Cricut Design Space to make simple vinyl stickers. There are so many ways to make stickers using the Cricut, but I make very basic outline shape designs. I feel like they work really well in my pieces and don't get lost with all the glitter and inclusions that I use. Of course you can use the stickers however you like. So first you want to find your sticker design. The more basic the design is, the more readable it will look as a silhouette sticker. It doesn't have to be a PNG or plain black, just as long as the image is well defined and simple, the Cricut software can do the rest for you. There are so many ways to find designs. Just make sure you find out if it's free to use or pay the creator for the license to use their design, otherwise you can end up getting in trouble for copyright infringement if you use their design without permission or without paying them for it. This is especially important if you're using these stickers in your business or to make a profit. For word stickers, I used a font quite a lot for free and licensed fonts. I have also paid for images on Shutterstock and used independent designers on Fiverr and other platforms to make some cool images that I couldn't do myself. For my designs today, I'm using Procreate on my iPad. Once you've found the image that you want to use, save it onto the computer and then open the Cricut Design Space and start a new project. Use the upload button on the left to browse your files and import the image that you want. You're then going to use the Erase Background tool to make the image a PNG. And save the image as a cut image. Once you have the image in the design space, you can make as many copies as you like and resize them to suit your needs. The program's going to automatically rearrange the stickers so it fits the mat when it comes time to cutting, so don't worry too much about where you place it inside the design space. This is also where you can add the word stickers. Just click the text icon and change it around to suit what you need. So once you're happy with how that looks, you have to weld the words together. So this means that the individual letters won't be cut out separately, it'll be cut out as one whole word sticker. So just select the text that you want and click the weld button. When you're happy with how the stickers look, you can click Make It. Pay attention to the cutting mat as it shows you where the stickers are placed on the mat when they're cut out. That way you can tell how much vinyl you're going to need to cut. Using that information, just cut the amount that you need. I get my vinyls mostly from Amazon or Cricut, and I'll just pop the links down below so you can find them. Then just apply the vinyl to the cutting mat. I like to use the green standard mat as it has enough stick on it to hold the vinyl flat. Open up the Cricut machine and turn it on. And then connect it to your laptop or computer. Use the custom selection on the dial, and when the option comes up on the software, I choose Premium Outdoor Vinyl. This will cut through the vinyl and leave the backing paper intact, and this is called a Kiss Cut sticker. Settings will vary depending on the material that you use, but this is what works for me and for the vinyl that I use. You can load your mat with the vinyl on it into the machine by pressing the arrow. This will roll the mat into the cutting zone. Once everything is set up on the software, you can press C, which will start the cutting process. Unload the mat when it's finished by pressing the arrow button. Peel the vinyl off the cutting mat. You can use a special weeding tool to take out the pieces between the letters and shapes, but I just use an X-Acto knife to do this. I then take off all the excess vinyl and cut up each sticker individually. And then they're all ready to use. So that is how I make my vinyl stickers. I hope the tutorial was helpful, but if you have any other questions, just comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more resin and craft related content. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!